In The Simpsons, Season 8, Episode 2, Hank Scorpio casually talks about world domination like it's normal office business. The joke is that he's an evil villain, but also the nicest boss Homer ever had, which makes the scene hilarious.
I call this room.
I am here to welcome you on behalf of the president of the Globex Corporation. Me! Try the papayas. They're juicy and full of papain. Makes you strong like Popeye. Popeye, papain, Popeye, papain. See? Same thing. Forget it. How are you? I'm Hank Scorpio.
Wow, my boss.
Don't call me that word. I don't like things that elevate me above the other people. I'm just like you. Oh, sure, I come later in the day, I get paid a lot more, and I take longer vacations, but I don't like the word boss. Hey, look at my feet.
Okay.
You like those moccasins? Look in your closet. There's a pair for you. Don't like them? Then